Listen up, you lot. This isn't some amateur hour cooking show. We're not here to mess about. Today, we're tackling weight loss head on with 5 salads that are so bloody delicious, you'll forget you're even trying to be healthy. We're talking bold flavors, fresh ingredients, and none of that bland rabbit food nonsense. Get ready to transform your body and your taste buds. Right, you lot. First up is a Mediterranean chickpea salad that's bursting with flavor. We're talking juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, tangy olives, and chickpeas that are cooked to perfection. None of that mushy rubbish. This salad is packed with fiber and protein, keeping you fuller for longer and giving those cravings a swift kick in the arse. Now, for the dressing, we're ditching the sugary, store-bought rubbish and whipping up a simple lemon vinaigrette. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a glug of good quality olive oil, a pinch of salt and pepper. That's all it takes to elevate this salad to Michelin star standards. Don't even think about using bottled lemon juice. You hear me? Freshly squeezed or get out of my kitchen. And the olive oil? Use the good stuff. None of that bottom shelf rubbish. This salad deserves respect, you donkey. Chop those vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Toss them with the chickpeas and then drizzle that glorious vinaigrette over the top. And for God's sake, don't drown the salad. A light hand, people, a light hand. Next up, we're tackling a kale and quinoa salad that will blow your bloody mind. Kale, you see? That bitter, chewy stuff. Listen, when prepared properly, kale is a powerhouse of nutrients. We're going to massage it with a little olive oil and lemon juice to tenderize those leaves and remove any bitterness. And don't even get me started on quinoa. This ancient grain is packed with protein and fiber, making it a brilliant substitute for those carb-heavy sides that are sending you straight to the doghouse. Now, to add some excitement to this salad, we're going to roast some butternut squash with a touch of smoked paprika. The sweetness of the squash combined with the smoky paprika is a match made in culinary heaven. And don't even think about overcooking that squash. It should be tender, not mushy. Once the squash is roasted, let it cool slightly. Then toss it with the massaged kale, cooked quinoa, and a scattering of toasted pumpkin seeds for some crunch. For the dressing, a simple lemon vinaigrette will do the trick. But don't be afraid to experiment with other flavors. A dollop of Greek yogurt or a sprinkle of feta cheese would be bloody fantastic. Before diving into the rest of the recipes, let me share an effective way to ensure you get your daily dose of fruits and vegetables, even when you're short on time. Introducing a convenient solution to meet your nutritional needs on the go. These capsules provide a simple, quick way to incorporate essential nutrients into your diet, especially on busy days when preparing salads just isn't feasible. To learn more about this easy and nutritious option and to get your supply, visit the link in the description section. As a Juice Plus Plus franchise partner, I recommend Juice Plus Plus products based on their quality and benefits. For more details or to purchase, please contact Gladys Osage directly or visit the link below. For more information about Juice Plus Plus products. Chapter 3. Grilled Chicken Caesar Salad. A classic elevated. Now, for those of you who think salads are boring, I'm about to prove you wrong with this grilled chicken Caesar salad. We're taking a classic and giving it the Gordon Ramsay treatment, which means no soggy lettuce, no bland chicken, and definitely no bottled dressing. First things first, the chicken. We're going to marinate it in a mixture of lemon juice, garlic, and herbs for at least 30 minutes. This will infuse the chicken with flavor and ensure it's juicy and tender. While the chicken is marinating, let's prepare the Caesar dressing. And listen carefully, because this is where most people go wrong. We're making a proper Caesar dressing. from scratch with raw egg yolks, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, garlic, anchovies, and Parmesan cheese. Yes, you heard me right, anchovies. They add a depth of flavor that you just can't replicate with anything else. Now, I know some of you are afraid of raw egg yolks, but trust me on this one. Just make sure you use fresh, pasteurized eggs. Once the dressing is emulsified, it's time to grill the chicken. Cook it over medium heat for about 6 to 8 minutes per side, or until it's cooked through. Let the chicken rest for a few minutes before slicing it. Now for the assembly. Toss some romaine lettuce with the Caesar dressing. Top with the sliced grilled chicken, some crunchy croutons, and a generous shaving of Parmesan cheese. There you have it, a grilled chicken Caesar salad that's fit for a king. This isn't just any salad. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that will make you rethink what a salad can be. Enjoy every bite. Chapter 4. Spinach and Berry Salad. Sweet, savory, and sensational. Listen up, you lot. This is a salad that will change the way you think about greens forever. Kindly hit the subscribe button. Let the show begin. This next salad is proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. In fact, it can be downright exciting. We're talking about a spinach and berry salad that's bursting with flavor, color, and a whole lot of goodness. Fresh spinach is our base, and don't you dare use that pre-washed bagged rubbish. Freshness is key here. Get yourself to the market and pick out the freshest spinach you can find. Trust me, it makes all the difference. Now, for the berries, we're using a mixture of strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Each berry brings its own unique flavor to the mix. The sweetness of the berries combined with the tartness of the dressing is a match made in culinary heaven. It's a symphony of flavors in every bite. And don't even think about using frozen berries. They just won't do this salad justice. Fresh or nothing, you hear me? Freshness is what makes this salad pop. To add some crunch and texture, we're going to toast some pecans in a dry pan until they're fragrant. This step is crucial for that extra layer of flavor. The nutty flavor of the pecans complements the sweetness of the berries perfectly. It's all about balance. And for a final touch of indulgence, we're going to crumble some feta cheese over the top. This is where the magic happens. The salty, tangy flavor of the feta cheese is the perfect contrast to the sweet berries and spinach. It's a flavor explosion. For the dressing, a simple balsamic vinaigrette will do the trick. It's easy to make and ties everything together beautifully. Just whisk together some balsamic vinegar, olive oil, honey, and Dijon mustard. It's that simple, yet so effective. And there you have it, a spinach and berry salad that's as delicious as it is healthy. Enjoy every bite and savor the sensational flavors. Chapter 5. Asian-inspired shrimp salad. A taste of the exotic. Last but not least, we're traveling to the Far East with this Asian-inspired shrimp salad. This dish is a perfect blend of fresh ingredients and bold flavors. We're ditching the mayonnaise-laden salads and opting for a lighter, more flavorful option. This salad is not only delicious, but also healthy and vibrant. First things first, the shrimp. It's the star of the show. We're going to marinate them in a mixture of soy sauce, sesame oil, ginger, and garlic. This combination is key to achieving that authentic Asian taste. This will infuse the shrimp with flavor and ensure they're juicy and tender. Let them soak up all those wonderful flavors for at least 15 minutes. While the shrimp is marinating, let's prepare the salad base. This is where the crunch and freshness come in. We're using a mixture of shredded cabbage, carrots, and red onion. These vegetables not only add texture but also a burst of color. The cabbage adds a nice crunch, the carrots add a touch of sweetness, and the red onion adds a bit of bite. It's a perfect balance. Now, for the dressing, we're making a simple Asian-inspired vinaigrette with soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, and a touch of honey. This dressing ties everything together. The combination of sweet, sour, and savory flavors is absolutely divine. It elevates the salad to a whole new level. Once the shrimp is marinated, thread them onto skewers and grill them for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they're pink and cooked through. The grilling adds a smoky flavor. Let the shrimp cool slightly before removing them from the skewers. This makes them easier to handle and keeps them juicy. To assemble the salad, toss the shredded cabbage, carrots, and red onion with the Asian-inspired vinaigrette. Make sure everything is well coated. Top with the grilled shrimp, some chopped cilantro, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. These final touches add freshness and a bit of crunch. There you have it, an Asian-inspired shrimp salad that's light, refreshing, and bursting with flavor. Perfect for any occasion, this salad is sure to impress. There you have it, you lot. 5 delicious and healthy salads that will help you lose weight and feel amazing. No more excuses for boring, tasteless meals. Get in the kitchen and start cooking. Before you go, we have a special gift just for you. Kindly download the free PDF Shirt 10 cooking guide for free by clicking the link in the comments section. It's packed with more delicious recipes, cooking tips, and meal plans to keep you inspired in the kitchen. Thanks for watching and subscribing to our channel. Happy cooking and see you next time.